In this short video, I'm going to show you about zero count rubrics and why are they here in the repertory module. We're looking at two of them right here, abdominal in the mind chapter, abhorrence. Both of these are zero count rubrics, meaning they have no remedies within them. Now, abdominal has a plus sign next to it. That means that it has sub-rubrics. And you can easily see the sub-rubrics by using your directional arrows on your keyboard. I'm going to hit the right directional arrow to come into the sub-rubrics of abdominal. So abdominal complaints with mind symptoms or abdominal pains with mind symptoms, either one of these rubrics would certainly go onto the clipboard. If I choose this one and hit return, you can see that down here the rubric was added. Let's go back. So that's how you can handle the rubrics that have zero count with a plus sign. What about this one right below it? If I tried to put this on a clipboard, I'm trying, it's not going to go on because the program does not allow you to put zero count rubrics on a clipboard. So what's the point of having this? Well, perhaps your patient, your client, has used the word abhorrence and that's the word you looked up, but in actual fact, in this particular repertory, it's the idea represented by abhorrence is worded differently. And to see those cross-references, you can either come over here and turn on cross-references and hit OK, or you can use your keyboard shortcut, which is Command U, Command and the letter U held down together. And now you can see abhorrence. They recommend that you go to mind aversion, and you can go straight to mind aversion just by clicking on it. And here it is. It's got one remedy in it, but it does have sub-rubrics. So you can go into the sub-rubrics and get quite a lot more information. Go back and you see that there are two more suggestions. So I hope this helps to explain the zero count rubrics. We'll go into one more chapter and I'll show you one more time. Here you've got two in the kidney chapter. I'm going to hit Command U so that I can see those cross-references, and now you can see where you should go instead of looking at atrophy or atrophy within the kidney chapter. You should go to the generalities chapter or go to degeneration in this chapter. If you want to see cross-references turned on all the time, you come back here to the picture icon, main page, come to change your view settings, turn on cross-references, hit OK, and now you will see cross-references in every single one of your chapters. All right, I hope this short video has been helpful to you. Thanks so much.